They do. Booty. You're going to take him back in your corner and hide him, aren't you? She started letting him nurse again after the girl didn't make it. And she's the one who decided all at once they were going to be weaned, but now he can nurse, do whatever he wants. Aha, maybe not. I'll empty the bubbles out.